Please subscribe, share and like this video. Let's begin. Good afternoon and welcome. Welcome to each one of you, all those who are present here. Thank you for being in this session.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome you all. Okay, before we start with the session, I would like to know how was your weekend? Who did the practices for both the days and found whatever? What was your experience in that? Anyone would like to share? If anyone would like to share, you can unmute and say. Did you all do the practice for the 2 days, all of you?
Ma'am, I did at the time of sleeping.
Okay. What's your name?
Ma'am, this is Rachna Ahuja.
All right, Rachna. Good. So Miracle Master is saying I had a marvelous weekend. Yeah, good. Anybody else would like to share? Have they done their practice for the 2 days? Because
मैम मैं मानसी बात कर रही हूँ.
yes, Mansi, बोलिए.
मैंने प्रैक्टिस की 2 दिन.
Very nice.
सेम टाइम.
अच्छा है. Good.
हाँ.
क्योंकि वो कंसिस्टेंसी रहना चाहिए ना. Very important है. Yeah, Tina, thank you for doing, because it is your goal, your vision, your dreams. So Ritul is also saying wonderful weekend. It is important because daily practice करेंगे, then ही results दिखाई देंगे ना. You cannot miss out. Even though class was not there, you have to do the practice on your own. क्योंकि daily आपका subconscious mind को आप impression कर रहे हो, नया belief install कर रहे हो, तो उनको भी ये everyday करने से ही उसको वो जल्दी से adopt कर लेगा. Geeta is saying even I did. Yes, thank you all for doing, because your dreams and your goals are more important to you. So we are only working, we are just helping you here in this class to manifest things faster.
Can I share them?
Haji, please do. Say your name.
Yes,
from where you are.
Yes, I am Ritul from Pune.
Yeah, Mritul, welcome.
Yeah, ma'am, I visualize daily. मतलब जो भी मेरा ड्रीम रहता है, I do practice. मैं visualization पे वर्क करती हूँ, and it's really works. It really works. मैं यूनिवर्स से जो भी चीज की मतलब मुझे कल था कि कल वीकेंड था and I feel कि मुझे ब्लू कलर के फूल देखने हैं, फ्लावर्स देखने हैं. Then I go in morning walk and I see that blue color flowers in a tree. So it's a visualization, और वो I know how to manifest the things and how we get the things.
Yes,
so
yes.
I know मतलब it's a magic by me कि कैसे हो रहा है. So I really believe कि ask, believe and receive. When we ask something and believe in that, we surely get the things. तो ये affirmation मैम, I do affirmation मतलब 8-9 months हो गए. I do daily practice in these things.
Alright.
So I मतलब मैंने आपका ये सेशन भी इसी करके ज्वाइन किया कि I do practice daily मतलब वो है ना, कहते कन कन में ये प्रैक्टिस करनी.
सही में. Yeah.
मैं इसी चीज को फॉलो कर रही हूँ and really it's a great experience. I know how to attract the things now. So thank you ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. You're most welcome. So आपके शेयरिंग से ना दूसरों को भी एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है. See, they also have to. It is a daily thing. You cannot leave it and somebody else cannot do it for you. आपको जो चीज चाहिए वो आप ही को करना पड़ेगा ना. Somebody else will not be able to do that for you. So
thank you ma'am.
It's important. Yeah, thank you. Thanks to each one of you. Sonali also says, okay. Thanks to each one of you who are consistent in doing the practice. So now we will begin. Yeah, today now before we start, we will just get into the zone of manifestation. We will get into the zone of gratitude. It's very important. So first thing we will do is we will write at least 5 things we are grateful for today. आज जो कुछ भी हुआ, if not, some have difficulty in writing that, then you can give gratitude for all the 5 elements. That is fire, water, air, earth, space. See, air, we get the oxygen, right? We are breathing in oxygen, which is very important. Nowadays, we have realized the importance of oxygen. So we can thank God for the oxygen that we breathe. We can thank God for the fire element, which helps our digestion, helps cook our food. All these things we can be grateful for. The earth, all the vegetation, the water that we drink. Our body consists of 70% water. So how important is water in our lives? The space element, the sky. You can give thanks for anything, whatever is on your heart right now. At least 5 things you select and give gratitude for that, because we are getting ourselves into the zone of the feeling frequency, feeling gratitude for everything. Because feeling is the secret. Whatever you feel right now, that will help to enhance the manifestation process. So,
Ma'am, can you just tell me for space what gratitude should we give?
I just now said whatever things, what I said, you can give gratitude for that. All these things, whatever I said. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. You can be general now since you are not aware as to what to say. So just be in general. Give gratitude for your food, for your family, for your house, for all the things in your house, all the facilities you enjoy, for your job, for your business, for your career. Whatever. Just give gratitude to God. Very important to get into that zone. So take a deep breath and just focus on your gratitude. I hope you all are having your notebooks and pens ready. Please take out your notebooks and pens and start writing in your book. And after each gratitude, each sentence, write 3 times thank you. Thank you. Why 3 times? Because first time you are giving gratitude for the past, whatever has happened until now. Then second, gratitude for the present, that you are enjoying the things. And third, gratitude is for the future, all the benefits what you are going to enjoy in the future. So these are why the 3 times you write thank you to God. And also another point is that we are giving thanks to the Trinity, the creation, the Creator. So give thanks to the triune God. So if we have finished, then we will get into the affirmations part. You can take whatever posture, stand or sit, say loudly or in your mind, whatever is comfortable with you, wherever you are. Only thing is, as I say the sentence, you are going to repeat it and you are going to feel the feeling. What I'm saying may not be your reality right now. You may say, oh, this is not it. Because the mind will always tell you, अरे ये तो है नहीं अभी, आप कैसे बोल रहे हो, I'm wealthy, I'm healthy. But then, daily आप बोलोगे, तो ये नया belief will come into reality हो जाएगी आपके लाइफ में. तो अभी ये सब फेक लगेगा, but fake it till you make it is what they say. Keep saying whatever I am saying, you repeat it. It's like what example I can give you? Like एक दिन में it's not going to change. Nothing in your reality is not going to change. Daily आप daily उसी वही हैमर करते हो ना एक ही चीज पे कैसे? Slowly that thing becomes loose and then it breaks. ऐसे suppose for coconut, first hit में it will not break, right? You will hit once, twice, thrice, fourth, and then it will finally break down. So that is what will happen in your beliefs also. Your reality is something different, but then you're confessing something different. You're saying something opposite. So daily you're keeping on. वो आप hammer करते 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 वो पुरानी belief निकल जाएगी and नया belief, this new belief, ये जो नई belief है आपकी वो install हो जाएगी और वो reality बनेगी आपकी life में. So that is what affirmations do. तो feeling में जाना important है. अब भी आपको फील करना है. अगर ऑलरेडी हो गया होता तो आपको कैसे फील होता? You have to think in those terms that I am already that person that I want to be. Okay, so we will start. And given this situation, I always stress upon saying I am safe. Why? Because of the present situation. You always want to be safe. You want your family to be safe, secure. So you have to mean that. Meaning is important. So having said that, let's get in. This was I'm repeating for the benefit of those who have joined new, or else you can go to the earlier recordings and watch. Everything is mentioned in detail. So shall we begin? Take a deep breath in. As we breathe in blessings. Hold the blessings. Breathe out gratitude. Take another deep breath in. Breathe in blessings. Hold the blessings. Breathe out gratitude. Another deep breath in. Hold it. Release. I am safe. I am secure. I am enough. I am divinely protected. I am happy. I am loved. I am loving. I am lovable. I am amazing. I am fit, fine, and healthy. I am confident. I am courageous. I am bold and beautiful. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am successful. I am money magnet. I am generous. I am financially free. I am prosperous. I am a winner. Today is the best day of my life. Today is the best day of my life. Take a deep breath. Hold all these affirmations in. Feel them in your body. Where are they? Where has each affirmation gone into your body? Just absorb them in. Take in. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Release gratitude. Again, take a deep breath in. Hold all these blessings. Release gratitude. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Release gratitude. Now we will slowly move into the phase of visualization. Before we do, we will come back to our places, sit down and take our notebooks I would want you to, for a few seconds, a few minutes, I'll give you to just write down in detail. Visualize if your goal, therefore, in fact, we will do the writing of the goal first. Today we missed out on that. We will write our goals, the first 3 goals, we will write it down. What is your topmost goal? Then write the second one and the third one. All these 3 things I have already discussed in the earlier videos. Those who have missed, please go to that. So anyhow, now you write your 3 top priorities, top 3 goals what you want to achieve. The first one is a materialistic goal, like whatever is your figure, whatever is in whatever field you want, in your health, in your money, in your relationship, whatever you want to see. The second and the third, we are going to get into the being, like what kind of a person you want to be. A calm, a peaceful, a patient person, a relaxed person, confident person, all like this. All these are elaborated in the earlier videos. So these 2 you will write. So let's begin writing. Please write down the 3 things. In short, you can write. And you can say even thank you that they are already done. Having done that, now we will take the first goal and we will write. If you had achieved that first goal, how would you feel? Write your feelings on the paper. What would be your feelings? Take your first goal and write. ये तो हो गया, अचीव हो गया. कैसे लग रहा है आपको? कौन आपको आके गिविंग यू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस? आप किसको जाके पहले बोलते हो जो चीज हो गई? Whom are you telling? क्या रिस्पॉन्स है उन लोगों का? All that feeling आप लिख लो. Later on you can write in detail also, but I have given you a gist how you write. So क्या होता है, visualization में easy पड़ जाता है. When we really do the visualization, it becomes a little bit easy. So write down in detail. If you had achieved your first goal, how would you be feeling? What you would be doing? Where you would be going? How you would celebrate? With whom you would celebrate? Who are the people with you at that moment? You have achieved your goal. Who are the most important persons whom you want to go and tell it? So write it down. All right, we'll begin our visualization. I know the time is a constraint, so maybe we will not be able to do in detail. You can write it later on also whenever you are doing. Do the same exercise. See the recording and do in the night, and you can pause and play and write it in detail. All these things, but this is the sequence how you will do. So you continue writing if you feel like. If anybody has finished, they can let me know. All right, so we'll go into the visualization part. Sit with your spine erect. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath. Release. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Release. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Release. Become aware of your entire being. Right now, where are you sitting? Become aware of the person that you are. And now, think of that one situation in your life where you had been really happy. One of the most happiest moments. Recall that moment. Bring to mind that event, what happened. And you were so happy. You were smiling. You were laughing. You were enjoying yourself. It was the most happiest moment. You were having fun. When was that? With whom were you having the fun, the joy? What had happened? You were so excited, so happy. Feel the moment. Feel the laughter. Make it so clear and vivid that it is just happening right now. Oh, you're in that situation right now. Can you see yourself laughing? All of them are laughing. All of them are enjoying. Oh, wow, this moment is just so much fun. Really, we had a lovely time. Great time. You were enjoying with your friends, with your family. Or you had really achieved one big goal. And you were so happy. Somebody was congratulating you. That was the happiest moment. Somebody is complimenting you. Wow, you're feeling that feeling right now. You're really living that experience. Can you feel that? Can you feel the laughter? Can you feel the joy? Can you hear it? Can you hear the sounds? What were the sounds? Can you see all the people who are with you? It was such an amazing experience. You feel as though it is happening right now. Yes. Thank you, God, for this feeling. Thank you. Can really thank you for this power of our imagination. We can just recall the happy moments. Now in this same feeling, pick up your first goal, what you have written. The first goal, what you wrote just now. Imagine if that has already happened. What if it is already done? Imagine it is already done. How would you feel? How do you feel? The same feeling? You are so happy. You know how to feel excited. You know how to feel happy. It's not difficult because you had a past experience. You know how to be in this good feeling zone. You are feeling so good. Your vibrations are so high. Excitement, happiness, love, joy, gratitude. You are in this zone. Right now you are in this zone of happiness, of gratitude. All your friends are congratulating you. They are saying, wow, you did it. How did you do it? They are asking you. You're sharing with them your experience. All of you are so happy. They are so excited for you. Your near and dear ones. You yourself are happy because now you know you are the creator. You can do many more things, many more achievements, many more accomplishments. You are the winner. I am the winner. Yes, I am the winner. I can do anything. I'm a genius, yaar. I'm a genius. मैं तो रॉक स्टार हूँ. Yes, I am the best. I am the best, yaar. The best. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Everybody is congratulating me. I mean, I did it. I did it. Feel the vibrations. Feel the happiness in your body. Where are you feeling? Is your heart beating faster? Feel your heartbeat. Yes. This excitement. You're feeling the vibrations in your entire body. Means, hey, achieve ho gaya. My goodness. Yes, yes. I've done it, man. I've done it. It's done. Look, my entire body is vibrating. I'm getting goosebumps all over. Can you feel my happiness? Just absorb this feeling. Now think of the other two goals what you have written. What if they too become a reality? You become more patient. You become more calm. You become more peaceful. You are more relaxed. You are now more trusting people. You are more generous. You are more kind. You are more helpful. You are more compassionate. You are giving more now. Giving appreciation. Giving in terms of money. Become generous in terms of giving kind words to somebody. Become more generous in saying thank you. Become more generous in terms of giving gratitude. You're finding more and more things to be grateful for. Thank you to God for all these feelings of happiness, of gratitude. You have become so calm. You are such a patient person. All the good qualities have come into you. You are imbibing them. You are practicing them. You are working on yourself. And they have become reality now. Daily, day by day, you are doing it. It has become a way of life. Feel this calm, feel this peace. And give thanks to God. Imagine God's light is falling upon you right now from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. It is going right through and through. It's coming right from the crown of your head. It's moving into your body, into your head, into your shoulders, into your heart, into your back, into your spine. Your spine is erect. Into your stomach, all the internal organs, down in your hips, legs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, everywhere this light is going through. The healing light of God. You are being healed. You are being cleansed. The divine light is cleansing you. Feel the vibrations in your hands, in the palms of your hands. Feel it. Feel the love. Feel the care. Feel the warmth of this light. Experience the peace. The peace that passes all understanding. The peace of I am. I am the supreme power. I am the divine power. The peace of the supreme God is filling your body. Feel those vibrations. Become one with those vibrations. You are one with this frequency of love. This is the frequency which attracts all good things. It pulls in good things in your life. It brings in good things, good people, good situations. Bask in this frequency of love, frequency of healing, peace, peace of I am. Just stay silent for a while. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Gratitude. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Gratitude. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Gratitude. Take your palms together, rub them 9 times. Place them on your eyes. And whenever you're ready, please open your eyes. So, how was your feeling? Anybody would like to share?
मैं तो सो ही गई।
हाँ जी? Who's speaking?
मैम से बात कर रही हूँ।
हाँ जी, बोलिए, जरा लाउड बात कीजिए।
हाँ 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 मैम मुझे नींद आ गई थी।
अच्छा, यू फीलिंग सो रिलैक्स्ड? हाँ
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
मैम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं गीता चौधरी बोल रही हूँ।
हाँ जी।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम। मैं एकदम डीप में चली गई। एंड जैसे जैसे आपने बताया, मैं वैसे जाती रही और बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड, फुल ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड में रही। एंड मुझे लगा कि मेरी जो भी ड्रीम एंड गोल है वो कंप्लीट हो गई। एंड आई वाज सो थैंकफुल टू यूनिवर्स। आई एम नो वर्ड्स टू, मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है मैम, हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस माई फीलिंग्स टू यू। मैं कैसे बोल रही हूँ अभी तक मैं अपने बस में नहीं हूँ मैम। बहुत मुश्किल से मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ। ग्रेट मैम, बहुत अच्छा लगा। डिवाइन सुप्रीम पावर मिला मैम। यूनिवर्स इज सो काइंड, ही गिव हिज ब्लेसिंग्स टू मी। बहुत टाइम से मैं ये अचीव करना चाहती थी। मुझे लगा कि आज सब अचीव हो, सब ठीक हो। I got it, ma'am. I got it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, Geeta. Yeah. Really very nice. It's the touch of the divine. Thank you so much for sharing. Yes, there are some comments coming here. Miracle
Yes.
Master saying, and thank you. Yes, Geeta, are you saying something? Anybody else would like to say? Sudha is saying wonderful, amazing, awesome. Anyways, thank you. Thank you to you. Anybody else would like to share? Okay, if you are done, then we'll remain in this feeling, and you can do this exercise even in the night. You can see the recording and do. You can see the recording and do the exercises in the night also. And share your experience on the group. Yeah, thank you all for joining in. We will meet tomorrow. Please share this link to others also. Why? Because it's good that somebody else will also benefit. No? So whoever you think will benefit from it, you can share this link, be in this class. At least take the benefit till the time this class is on. So it may not be on forever. Since I'm taking it now, it might as well take the benefit. So because these are practical sessions, which is so very important in doing. Yeah, thank you. Thanks to each one of you. See you all tomorrow. Bye. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye. Welcome.